Okay, I've already got most of my stuff out. Putting radio in a 98 Jeep TJ. The dash bezel down here, someone's got an oil pressure gauge, the previous owner. I got to remove that, but they're easy to take out. There's one screw down here. You'll just pull the ashtray out down here, pull one screw out here. You pull this top piece off and it just pops in. You just pry it out a little bit and pop it out. There'll be 2 screws here. That whole thing will come off. And then, I mean, mine still had the stock radio in it like this. There's 2 bolts in it. Just grab, I use 10mm socket on it. And then, well, I'll show you. I got my new radio here. Connected all my wires, taped them up real good. That way, hopefully, nothing ever grounds out. Of course, you gotta connect your ground with the ground strap. Plug your antenna in. I don't know if I can set this camera where you can see or not. But it works. I didn't get any copyright-free music, so I ain't gonna turn it on, but I don't know if... I know YouTube's kind of picky sometimes. I'll start putting some of it back together. That way the video's not just 2 seconds long. But overall, pretty easy. I put radio in every Jeep I get. I got this kit off eBay. I can put the link if you guys comment if you want the link. I can put the link to where I got it. I got the mounting kit with the wires for, I think it was $9.99 shipped. And then I just picked this cheap radio up at Walmart for $16, I think. But radio is mounted now. I already did all the wiring and everything. Let's see, now we just need to put this back on, I'm pretty sure. This is not connected to anything, but that guy's got that hose on it. I'm gonna take that gauge off of it though, so I don't have to worry about that. But I'll just take it off of it now. Pretty sure I'm probably in the way of the camera. I think it's caught under the brake pad, that's why it ain't coming. I don't know why he took the time to run a mechanical gauge. Tangle everything up down in here. By the time he ran all that, he could have had the sensor installed. There, now I finally got it up out of here. Now I got the wipers on. I'll turn the key off. Normally way easier than this, but that gauge is the only thing making it hard. Now you just pop this back in where it goes, find where all the clips go, and it'll just pop back in. Just line all your, you can look through there and line them up. There's a couple there. And mine's just an old Jeep, so I'm really not too worried about any of it. There. Now they messed up my bottom screw, so I'm only going to put the 2 back in the top, I think. Those clips should hold her bed plenty tight enough. If I have to, I'll run a self-tapping screw back in. Here's the 2 screws I'm talking about. Just use a little short screwdriver so you can get in between here and the windshield. And then here's your windshield piece. Just line it back up where it clips in, and then clips in the middle and on the sides. And now we've got a installed radio. But honestly, the radios in these are about as simple as it can get. Take that off and the radio comes right out. I'm trying to get better at making videos here and there. Probably get some wheels and tires soon, I'm not for sure. If you guys want to see more videos, if you see this one, I'm thinking about putting 2 fenders and front and back bumpers on it. If you want to see videos on that, just leave it in the comments. I'll try to get better as we go making the videos.